You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Writing lesson, writing an evaluative letter, mastery of the Cambridge IGCSE curriculum requirements, a scaffolded approach to guide students through the process of writing. Let's look at the reading and writing assessment objectives. First of all, reading objectives. Understand explicit and implicit meanings. Critically evaluate and develop ideas with the textual support and use relevant information for specific purposes. Secondly, writing objectives. Express thoughts, feelings, and imaginations clearly. Structure ideas and opinions effectively. Use appropriate vocabulary, sentence structure, and register for the content, and maintain accurate spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Now let's discuss the criteria for reading. Although this is mainly an assessment of your writing skills, your writing will be based on 2 reading texts. This means that of the total of 40 available marks, 15 are awarded for your reading skills. This means that you will have to use, evaluate, and develop the information and ideas in the reading texts to craft your response in the form of a letter. Now let's discuss the criteria for writing. The quality of your writing will be assessed out of 25 marks using established writing standards, which demands that your writing is highly effective, well structured, uses sophisticated vocabulary, maintains an appropriate register, and is almost always accurate in spelling, punctuation, and grammar. By following the evaluative acronym, you can structure an evaluative letter logically and comprehensively that covers all necessary components for a thorough assessment. Now, to demonstrate your understanding of the features of an evaluative letter, match the features with their definitions. The first one is done for you. Now pause the video for a moment and complete the rest. When you are done, check your answers against the answer key. To begin with, let's break down the writing prompt. You will be given a scenario based on the themes of the reading text. You will be told the context, the format of your writing, and who you are writing for. You should always approach this question by reading the task carefully first and highlighting what is sometimes referred to as a gap analysis or the 3 W's. First, the genre, or what am I writing? Writing a letter. Second, the audience, or whom am I writing for? Writing for my friend. Third, the purpose, or why am I writing? Writing to give advice. Take note of the bullet points that tell you what to include in your letter. These instructions are reminders of how to write your answer. You should write between 250 and 350 words, which is 1.5 to 2 sides of A4 in standard handwriting. Read the text A, highlight evidence or information relevant to the focus of each bullet point. Use color coding to differentiate each bullet point. Similarly, read the text B, highlight evidence or information relevant to the focus of each bullet point. Now plan your response. Turn what you have highlighted in the text into bullet points. Summarize the information or explicit ideas into implicit. Follow a similar process for another point of view. Bullet points first, explicit ideas into implicit next. Start writing your letter. The evaluative letter follows a specific structure. The paragraph references P1 to P9 indicate the sequence of paragraphs and their separation within the letter. Begin your letter with the date formatted appropriately. Include a salutation to address the recipient of the letter. State what you are writing about and why you are writing. Don't forget to state your point of view. Start each paragraph with an appropriate connective and topic sentence. Develop your points, assessing their implications with clear and evaluative views. Balance your viewpoints and include a call to action. Conclude your letter with a closing statement. Ensure you sign off with a complimentary close. The final draft of your letter should be structured somewhat like this. This is a hands-on exercise to apply learned techniques in writing an evaluative letter. Read text A, read also text B, and write your letter. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more IGCSE lessons and tips. Subscribe to more educational content. Like if you found this video helpful. Share this video with your peers. Comment on the video with your feedback. Let's master the art of writing together and excel in Cambridge IGCSE exams.